Toner and waste toner. When your device starts to run low on toner, a message will appear on the screen advising toner low. If you are on our proactive print watch system, a replacement toner will already be on its way. If not, you will need to place an order with our customer services team. You will receive another message on the screen when the toner has actually run out, advising toner empty. If you wish, the machine can be configured to send an email notification automatically when the toner is low, empty, or both. To replace your cyan, yellow, or magenta toner, open the front top panel of the device. Here you will see your toners. The toner will already be open for you. These are normally all locked until the toner is empty. Gently pull out the empty toner cartridge. This can now be placed into your recycling. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and place the new toner cartridge into the empty slot, flat side facing down, and then close the toner cover. When the black toner is empty, please do not discard or recycle this, as you will need to keep it for your waste toner. Waste toner. As with the toners, you will receive a message on the screen advising that the waste toner is nearly full, and then again when it is full. You can also change this at the same time as you change your black toner. To replace this, open the waste toner container cover located just left of the first paper tray and remove the full waste toner. This can be disposed of. Then take the empty black toner cartridge that you have already removed. Locate the arrow on the top, and with the arrow facing the device and the flat surface facing up, insert the container until you hear a click, and then close the waste toner cover.